Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the ultimate grooming solution for men. The Ufree Beard Trimmer. A 7-in-1 waterproof grooming kit designed to meet all your styling needs. This versatile kit includes everything from a body groomer and nose and ear hair trimmer to an electric razor and T-blade hair trimmer, ensuring a comprehensive grooming experience. With an impressive speed of 6,800 revolutions per minute, the sharp T-blades deliver a smooth trim without pulling or snagging, making it perfect for sensitive skin. The IPX7 waterproof design allows for easy use in the shower, while the ergonomic metal body ensures comfort and precision. Enjoy long-lasting battery life with up to 150 minutes of trimming on a single 90-minute charge, and the convenience of USB-C charging means you can power up from virtually anywhere. Plus, the kit comes with various accessories, including different comb sizes and a handy storage bag, making it easy to stay organized and travel-ready. Whether you're a seasoned beard enthusiast or just starting out, the Ufree Beard Trimmer promises a satisfying grooming experience backed by excellent after-sales support. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.